What if you could complete your assignments in half the time, understand any topic instantly, and score better using one free AI tool? Sounds fake? Watch this. You'll never study the old way again. Hey everyone, I'm Dipanjan, and you're watching MinimalCoder, your friendly AI and coding space. Why ChatGPT for students? Studying is hard, notes are long, and exams always too soon. ChatGPT can become your personal tutor, note maker, quiz master, and even a summarizer. The best part? It's free and always ready to help. No sign-up required if you use Bing or Poe. Welcome to episode 4 of our AI series, and today we're unlocking how students like you can use ChatGPT to study smarter, not harder. Let's go. Let's say you don't get something in class. Just ask ChatGPT to explain it like you're a kid. Explain photosynthesis like I'm in 6th grade. Boom. Easy words. Clear meaning. Long textbook chapter. Upload it to ChatPDF, then ask. Summarize this in 5 bullet points with real-life examples. Done. You just saved 30 minutes. Need practice? Ask for 5 MCQs, then reply with your answers. ChatGPT will instantly correct and explain like a personal tutor. Understand tough concepts? Got stuck with a confusing definition or theory? Just ask ChatGPT. For example, you can say, explain Newton's third law with a real-world example, or teach me the concept like a teacher would. You can even request a diagram explanation. Hate messy notes? Just paste your topic and say, make short notes in my style, 250 words max, clean, clear, shareable. Want quick revision? Make 10 flashcards for trigonometry formulas? Perfect for last-minute prep. Stuck in regional language? Ask ChatGPT. Translate this to English and fix grammar. It's like having a smart English teacher. 24x7, past year paper practice helper. Use case, extract and explain tricky questions from board exams. Just ask ChatGPT. Hack, paste full paper and ask. Group all similar questions and provide answers topic-wise. Solve math step by step. Want to understand how to solve equations, not just get the answer? Just ask ChatGPT, or explain Pythagoras theorem with an example and diagram. Tip: pair with Wolfram Alpha plugin if available for visual steps. Debate or speech preparation. School competitions, elocution, mun, and more. ChatGPT can help you prepare. Just ask. Write a 2-minute speech for inter-school debate on AI is a threat to human creativity. Supporting side. Bonus. Ask for. Add 2 quotes and 1 real-world example. Final trick. Make me a study plan for 3 hours daily. Focus on science and math, exams in 20 days. It gives you a full timetable. This is just the beginning. In episode 5, I'll show you how to build your own Python apps using ChatGPT. Like, share, and subscribe. MinimalCoder is here to level up your life.